What's going on, lovely people? If you're looking at the title of this video, then yes, I have some exciting news. The stock research app that I've been working on for so long is now finally available. And if you head over to leodeleo.com, my name, the name of this channel, you can find it there. You guys have been waiting so long for me to get this out, and I apologize for the long wait. I've been getting emails and comments of people wondering when and where is this thing going to be coming out. But if you go to leodeleo.com, folks, this app is available for you. And this software, folks, has access to all US markets, Canadian markets, as well as Euronext markets. So if it's on any US market from NASDAQ to New York Stock Exchange, we have it. If it's on the Toronto Stock Exchange, it is in my software. And if it's in the Euronext Exchange, you can find it there too. This is a worldwide stock research platform. This tool is designed as a one-stop shop for those who are looking to do a fundamental and detailed analysis. It has all the tools you need to get started on looking at a company from 360 degrees, and it's all here for a very reasonable price. So you can do a month-to-month subscription for $14.99 or a yearly subscription for $162 per year. And keep that in mind, folks, that is in Canadian dollars. So for my American friends, the majority of you that watch this channel, this is going to work in your favor. If you use the code FOUNDER at checkout, you will get 20% off for your subscription for life. So with the yearly subscription, you're getting 10% off already. Pair that with the Founder coupon code at checkout. That's another additional 20%, equivalent to 30% off, as well as if you go month to month, it's just 20% off. But that gives you access to the Stock Spec software, the stock research app, as well as exclusive content that's going to be only available to you, my subscribers, to this software and to my now website. There's a community page that's coming, so I'll be able to connect a lot of you like-minded investors together, and we are going to take this app further and further and further as a high-quality research tool. I'm very excited to share this with you guys. So use the code FOUNDER on the website at checkout, and you will have access to this amazing piece of software, because you're not going to get this data anywhere else at this price point. You're getting access to the company's cash flow statements, the income statements, the balance sheets, as well as different charts that monitor different performances from the company, as well as the main page that you're probably here for, the Stock Spec page, which allows you to look at the company's financial evaluations, as I've done in so many of my videos, to grade the company out of 10, and as well as the price analysis section, which allows you to find the intrinsic value of the company that you're looking at. This is a piece of software you do not want to miss out on, folks, and it's one more tool in your investing journey that will help you pinpoint which company is worth your time and which company isn't worth your time. So thank you so much for those who have supported me up until this point. We are only getting started, and I'm excited to share this piece of software that I've been working diligently on with you, my viewers and subscribers. So with that being said, thank you so much, and I can't wait to hear your reactions, as well as companies that you've been researching on your own. And I can't wait to connect with you further down the line when the community page is finally set up. But I wanted to get you guys in on the software as quickly as possible, so here it is. Thank you so much for your patience, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Happy researching.